What's up? Okay. Hello to all my fellow cyclists right over in my channel. Okay, so if you are subscribing right now, so 888 subscribers is stuck. Okay, I am stuck in the 888 subscribers here in my cycling channel. So yeah, I just wanted to, I just wanted to say this, okay, because I've been too busy in my work. Okay, so uh, okay, so pwede naman ako magtagalog since nakalagay din naman yung subtitle, okay? Nakalagay din naman yung subtitle dito sa channel ko. So yeah. So may message ako para sa inyo, okay? So dito sa channel ko. So gumagawa pa rin ako ng videos, right? So gagawa pa rin ako ng video. So konting hintay lang naman kasi nga napakahirap kasi yung schedule ko kasi kaya hindi ako makagawa ng mga videos, okay? But unfortunately, since summer is already here in USA, so I think makagawa na ako ng mga cycling vlogs, right? And also mga ganun pa rin naman, yung mga ibang ginagawa ko dito sa channel ko, right? So ginagawa ko dito sa channel ko. So I do some cycling vlogs, and also some unboxing some cycling accessories, cycling everything also like that one. So I still making reviews, I still making unboxing cycling accessories right here in my channel. So I am still continuing to make some vlogs, but yeah, unfortunately it's because of the schedule of my work also, right? So since it's hard to say na sasabihin ko ito para sa inyo, right? So wag kayo magpaka choosy or picky sa isang cycling channel, right? So since mahirap kasi ako nag-effort din kasi ako gumawa ng mga vlogs eh. So nag-effort. So yung mga editing ko sa video napakasimple lang. So hindi katulad ng mga iba diyan na mga pro na mga cycling channel na magaling mag-edit, right? So kaya wag kayo magpaka-choosy or picky, okay? So, kung gusto niyo mag-subscribe, i-subscribe niyo, okay? Kasi ako, doubling effort ko sa paggawa ng mga vlogs kasi. So, may iba din kasi akong channel, dalawang channel. So, tatlong channel na yung ginawa ko since 2019. So, wala pa rin ambag, wala pa rin ganun nga. So, kaya nga request ko lang sana na tulungan niyo akong umabot sa requirements ng YouTube, right? So this because mahirap din kasi dito mahirap. So katulad pa rin ng Pilipinas. So katulad pa rin ng Pilipinas, mahirap ang mamuhay dito, right? So yung dollars napakamahal. Alam niyo naman yan, di ba? So, mahal yung dollars, okay? So, ang plan ko talaga ay, kasi nga, nagre-renta ako dito eh. So, and also, naka-insert lang ako sa brother ko, sa kanyang wife dito sa tinitirahan nila. So, magbabayad kasi ako magko-contribute kasi ako ng pangdagdag sa renta. So that is why kailangan ko yung subscription nyo at saka yung watch hour. So kung makikita nyo, ipopost ko sa inyo, okay? Yung watch hours ko, okay? Ipopost ko sa inyo yung watch hours ko dito sa aking video ngayon. So popost ko kaagad din ito pagkatapos nito. So wala pong edit po ito. Raw po ito. Raw video po ito ngayon. So yes, and it's also yun na nga. So yung salary ko sa trabaho ko hindi gaano kalaki. So yeah. nagtatrabaho lang ako 4 days a week sa hotel, only for part-time. So, naisipan ko talaga itong gagawa ng video kahit ano para sa inyo, right? So, since mostly my subscribers is in Philippines. So, okay, so since all of my subscribers is in Philippines, and also, yeah, I think mostly also I just saw it in my YouTube analysis, right? YouTube analysis that I see everything that who watch my videos, right? And it's also watch hours is not enough. So yeah, if you really wanted to help uh, a vlogger that is put an effort on it, you don't have to be picky or choosy, right? If you really wanted to help him, okay, help him or her. It's because working working in vlogging is really so hard for me. It's really so hard. So yeah, katulad hindi ako katulad ng mga iba diyan na tumaas lang yung subscribers nila, viewers, napakarami, di ba? Wala man lang nag-comment sa mga videos ko. So yeah, and also I found out also my other videos that they just said that what is it called, what is that language I didn't understand, yeah. So it really upset me. It really, masakit para sa akin yung sinabihan ko yung language natin ay so yeah, multi-language, I uses multi-language here in my channel, right? So since this is because there's also a subtitle on it when it's because I already put a automatic subtitle on it in my videos. That is why, like that. So okay, so if you really wanted to help me, if you really believe, okay, if you really believe that I can make it into 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, yeah, you have to support me, okay? I am a small time cycling vlogger, and it's also, yeah, I am a small time cycling vlogger, and I really wish and hoping that I can make it to the top, right? So not so, like that one. So but I really need that to pay rent in here, okay? So yeah, life's so hard, okay? So sa ako mga ka-fellow Cebuanos right there, manawagan na po ko sa, okay? I really so shy when I am doing this, okay? But I really wanted to, okay? So to my fellow cyclist in Cebu, shout out, okay? Shout out mix, okay? So shout out to MTB Rides in Cebu, Jump Bike TV, Carlo Villarica, okay? No Boring Days, and then also Mark Anthony, sa iyahang channel nga kalimot mo ko siyang channel, okay? I think mountain bike, okay, I forgot. So yeah, I forgot. So Mark Anthony Racal, okay, is the leader of is the main vlogger of the main vlogger, right? So also to another, this one right here is also a friend of Archie of MTV Rides in Cebu, with Biker Vin, okay? So yeah, I also subscribe to him. So and then other, I don't want to mention those in Manila, right? So yeah, it's because dili na sila ma-reach, okay? Okay, I don't want to mention them, but there's one thing that also being so humble in cycling vlog, okay, in Manila. So I'm gonna have to mention this. So be it, okay. So be it, okay. So be it, okay. So shout out, okay. And then sa mga bike to work workers in all over Philippines. So keep safe kayo dyan, okay? Keep safe kayo dyan sa Pilipinas. And then, yeah, krisis ngayon sa Pilipinas, di ba? Dahil sa ating gobyerno. So, yeah. So, that is why, working hard and then also doing vlogs again. So, yeah. So, expect a new vlogs next week here in my channel. So, yeah. Expect new vlogs here in my channel next week. Okay. So, thank you so much. And also, yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. So, bisag, thank you so much. Even though, no subscribe, no increase of subscription. Okay, thank you so much. Still, but still watch hours is not, like that one. So up down up up down, okay, up down, okay. So that one. So yeah, hey, okay. Makapagbuntong hininga naman tayo dito, okay. So we have to breathe deeper, right? Or because of this because of my situation here. So yeah, my family doesn't support me this, okay. Yeah, they don't support it. My sister wants me to quit, okay, vlogging is because I have no work. But still I am making is because this is the source, okay, the source of everything. So YouTube give bigger amount of uh, dinero, right? So dinero is money, okay. So yeah, it's in Spanish, okay. So YouTube is making, like that one, but sometimes the algorithm is not good, okay. So that is why you gotta help me, okay. So you gotta help me, so to pay for my rent here. Yeah, I'm not forcing you to subscribe, but if you are willing to subscribe to a person, but if you are willing to subscribe to a YouTube channel, yes, you just have to subscribe. It's because um, putting an effort on it, right, on everything. So that is why hard, so okay, so hard, okay. All right, so expect new videos next week, okay. So thank you, and also ingat kayo dyan parati sa Pilipinas, mga kasiklista. Alright.